To activate two WhatsApp accounts on one WhatsApp app, you will need to use a feature called Dual WhatsApp or Parallel WhatsApp, which is available on some devices. First, ensure your device supports dual apps or parallel apps, then follow these steps. Open your device settings and look for the Dual Apps or Parallel Apps option. Enable the Dual App or Parallel App option for WhatsApp. This will create a duplicate version of the WhatsApp app on your device. Now open the duplicate WhatsApp app and register with your second phone number. If you have already registered this number on another device, you will need to deregister it first. To deregister your WhatsApp account, go to Settings, then Account, then Delete My Account. After deregistering your account, you can register it again on the duplicate WhatsApp app. To keep your two WhatsApp accounts organized, you can label them as work and personal or any other label that suits your needs. You can also customize the labels and icons of the two WhatsApp apps to differentiate them. By following these steps, you can easily activate two WhatsApp accounts on one WhatsApp app and manage them separately without any confusion. It is essential to note that some devices may not support dual apps or parallel apps, so ensure your device supports this feature before attempting to activate two WhatsApp accounts. Additionally, be aware of the terms and conditions of WhatsApp when using dual accounts and ensure you comply with them to avoid any issues with your accounts. By using two WhatsApp accounts on one app, you can separate your personal and professional life and manage your contacts more efficiently.